Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to know how I made this peppered kpomo, please watch this video to the end. This is the kpomo I'm going to be using. I got it from African shop. You can use any kpomo that you have. I'm going to cut the cellophane and slice it to my desire. You can slice it very tiny, you can slice it very big. So the kpomo is very clean. If yours is not clean, you can wash it. They have already washed this kpomo, and I'm still going to wash it, but after slicing it. So you can see that the kpomo is very soft. You can see if your kpomo is the type that is very strong, you will boil your kpomo, cook it first before you use it. But this one is very soft. Okay, so I finished rinsing it. I washed it. Although the kpomo is very clean, I still wash it. I still have to wash it in case there is any preservative on it. Here is my red bell pepper, onion, and Scotch bonnet pepper. This pepper is very spicy. If you like, you can add to your own. If you don't want it too spicy, you can cut it into two. So I just finished chopping my pepper and onion. I'm going to blend it. If you don't have this kind of blender, you can also use your blender, but make sure it's not smooth. I'm going to show you exactly how it should be. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please click on the notification bell and like this video. God bless you. You can see that it's not smooth. We don't want it smooth. This is how we want it. And don't add water while blending your pepper. We don't need water in this recipe, okay? I am using olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but not palm oil. Make sure the oil is not too much. Wait for the oil to hot a little, then you start frying your pepper. Right now it's on the high heat, and I will soon reduce it. Before I put in the remaining spices, I will lower the heat. I lower the heat. What I just put now is garlic, 1 seasoning cube. I chopped the garlic very tiny. Here's my paprika, ginger, thyme, curry. I'm just going to stir it together and pour in the kpomo. Do not cook the pepper. Do not cook the sauce for a long time. Just stir it because we need the kpomo to cook together with the sauce. Today's your first time watching my video, remember to subscribe. Don't forget, please give this video a thumbs up. Remember to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. I tested this, so I'm adding half cube. Altogether I use 1.5 seasoning cube. Okay, here is the kpomo. If your kpomo is the type that is very strong, please boil it. Cook your kpomo before using it. But if it's already soft like mine, you don't need to cook it. But I like cook in the sauce. Don't just pour it and stir it and remove it from the heat. No, you are going to cover it and allow it to cook, but make sure it's on a low heat. Cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes on a low heat. But if you know your kpomo is soft but not too soft the way you want it, you can add little water at this moment. It will still help it to have that softness you want. So I will be covering it and be stirring it so that it will not burn. This peppered kpomo was very delicious. I never knew this thing is sweet like this. It's so nice. It's so nice. You can give it a try. Please help me share this video. Please share this video to Facebook, WhatsApp, anywhere shareable. Please share my video. Help me grow my channel. Okay, subscribe if you have not subscribed. My returnists, you that always watch my video, I say thank you. May God bless you. It's ready. You can see that it's very delicious. So I want you to give it a try. You can use it to eat fried plantain. Look at that. Isn't that looking so yummy? You can use it to eat white rice, fried rice, jollof rice, boiled plantain, and you can also use it to eat fried yam. Yes, you can also use it to eat boiled yam. You can eat it like this with soft drink. This is the next day, and I use it to eat boiled yam, and it was very delicious together with the boiled yam. You can also fry your yam. Okay, it's so yummy, it's so delicious. I want you to give it a try. Your family will like it. But the only thing I will let you know here, do not talk when you are eating it. Don't quarrel, don't argue, because it's very spicy. And make sure your kpomo is soft so that your children will enjoy it. Thanks for watching my video. Watch other videos on my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Remember to click on the notification bell for more videos, and like this video. Leave your comment below if you have tried this peppered kpomo before, or you are going to give it a try. Please let me know at the comment section. Ciao.